Hi everyone, I'm Ken, CEO of 8V Holdings Limited, and it's my pleasure to present to you the updates of the group for FY2021. FY2021 has undoubtedly been another eventful year in 8V's journey since we embarked on our digital transformation. This year, despite the COVID-19 situation, we have stayed true to our mantra of achieving ever more with ever less, and that has shone through in all aspects of our business. Following the successful implementation of our 3-year transformation plan, we are today operating on a model where more than 90% of our operations are held online. In FY2021, the group recorded revenue of $26 million, representing a 139% growth as compared to the previous year, with expanded gross profit and net profit margin. Accordingly, our net profit after tax attributed to owners of the firm saw 446.7% to $5.9 million as compared to $1.1 million in the previous year. In FY2021, we also recorded EBITDA of $9.5 million, which represented a 246.7% jump and an EBITDA margin of 36.5%. With revenue growth of 139.1% achieved, accompanied by an EBITDA margin of 36.5%, we have also exceeded the Rule of 40, a performance metric commonly used for fast-growing technology companies, by fourfolds. And with EBITDA growing at a faster pace than revenue, we have also achieved operating leverage in FY2021. The group has also maintained a strong financial position with cash and cash equivalent as well as short-term liquid assets totaling $22.2 million with zero debt, as well as $9.8 million unearned revenue to be recognized. Cash receipts from customers have also increased significantly over the last 9 quarters, with cash receipt in 4th quarter 2021 up 118% as compared to 4th quarter 2020. Cash flow from operating activities from the same period have increased significantly to $16.8 million as compared to $3.9 million in the previous year, while free cash flow stands at $15.6 million, a jump from $3.6 million in the previous year. Operationally, we also make a significant breakthrough this year with VApp, which received regulatory clearance as a licensed financial advisor approved by the MAS of Singapore. This license enables us to demonstrate more conviction on our data and put forward detailed recommendations based on V analysis, which allow our user to immediately verify the soundness of the target company financial and show how valuations are derived. These features are designed to aid overall investor confidence in making smarter, faster, and easier investment decisions. Largely, we have stayed true to our action plan laid out in our previous annual report to bring the group to new level of growth, which I'll go into next. First, adding breadth and depth to our acquisition, retention, and technology development efforts. The ability to generate a unique and robust content flow remains key to our acquisition strategy to build engagement and feature the new addition to our education programs. This year, we have broadened our content creation effort on many levels and across regions to ensure we reach wider audience and engage with them in a more meaningful ways and in localized context, while building awareness for our brand. Following our success in Malaysia in reducing reliance on direct marketing, we have replicated the same approach in Singapore by examining a team responsible for content planning, creation, and implementation. Our success in our acquisition strategy can also be seen through the growth in our V College graduate and VApp usage. In FY2021, we saw a 450% growth in our total number of V College graduates. And for VApp, total user growth rate of 207% as well as subscriber growth rate of 189%. For our retention effort, we have made significant progress by bringing a customer-centric culture and mindset to the table, which in turn enable us to create entire lifetime values. Through the use of our planned CRM system to mine data analytics, we see long-term potential to build on our insight to improve the entire experience for our graduate. Once complete, our CRM system will build, link, and leverage data to optimize both our operations as well as our product and program offering with the appropriate business intelligence. Meanwhile, the technology development teams have continued to develop existing and new features on the V app that are designed to enhance the overall experience. In relation to the artificial intelligence and machine learning aspect, we are already in the process of establishing a team of data science engineers focusing on enhancing various features within the V app. The team will focus on using various ML techniques, working closely with our communities managers and business analysts to enhance existing features and possibly discover new features. Second, growing our recurring revenue model. In FY2021, our recurring revenue currently stands at 29% of our total revenue, a significant improvement from the 20.5% in the previous year. We leverage the unit economics of our unique business model, where unlike other technology startups that invest heavily in acquiring users through cash, our entry-level product range already cover our cost of acquiring a new potential graduate. Coupled with our prudent cash flow management during the pandemic, we aim to establish our 80-20 model here in the long run, which is to have 80% of our revenue on a recurring basis. With our digital transformation complete, we have achieved a massive breakthrough in the way our company grow and generate high quality recurring revenue and positive cash flow. Third, cementing our position in core markets. Today, we operate in a highly successful and well-adapted English, Chinese, and Malay language speaking markets, with our operation in Singapore, Malaysia, Shanghai, and Taiwan. Our geographic revenue also represents one of our 80-20 strategies, where we hope to work towards having 80% of revenue outside of Singapore. Malaysia remains a significant addressable growth market of focus, and together with Taiwan, continue to generate positive growth in FY2021. The focus will therefore be to continue growing our presence and brand in the region with outreach activities and engaging social media content to reach to local audiences. While the group has seen significant growth in FY2021, we will continue to work towards bringing the group to new level of growth with the following strategy in the coming years. First, investing for a smarter future, digitization, and talent. We will be working towards progressive automation of our operation processes and a data-driven approach to analytics to enable us to achieve the best business result and optimize business decisions. This year, we have also set up our broadcasting studios in Singapore and Malaysia for the production of digital content. As a borderless working culture becomes the new norm, our broadcasting studios are also capable of hosting large-scale cross-border virtual events, such as our recent V Summit 2021, which saw more than 3,500 members in attendance, our largest V Summit to date. In the coming years, we'll be looking to invest in a new space for our talents to come together to build a stronger brand and culture for the group, ensuring that we are on the front foot and ready to face any challenges at any given time. In addition, we have also expanded our training and development budget so that our team members can benefit from continuous learning. Last year, we grew our development team to be the largest component within the group as part of our expansion plans. Going forward, we plan to invest a significant amount of our resources and costs in diversifying our human capital in various aspects in order to find the right talent to strengthen our position in technology. The second part of our strategy will be to expand our addressable market. As we look at the total addressable market for asset and wealth management in the coming years, there is immense potential to be tapped among three core segments of the total addressable market, comprising Do It Myself, Do It With Me, and Do It For Me group. We have identified a core group of target users whom we call the Do It With Me group that we want to engage with at this stage. These individuals are straddling the millennial and the Generation X, age of between 25 to 55 of age, whom will be keen to learn how to invest and are willing to pay for service that can offer coaching, ongoing support, and case study. In the longer term future, we'll be keen to look at do-it-for-me group of users and ways to engage with them through more offering on our platform. As part of our growth strategy, we also hope to able to cast our net wider to attract more potential V-App users. At the same time, we will also look at ways to expand V-College business model with new offering to extend the value chain for our existing and new customer base. The third point of our future strategy will be to position ourselves to offer more regulated products and services. Having secured 8-bit financial advisor license from the MAS, we believe we are in a position to explore offering more of such regulated products and services that are complementary to our existing FinEdutech business. Tapping on our capabilities in using data, analytics, and AI to analyze our user, incorporate risk assessment, and better understand our user investment style, we plan to integrate complementary financial services on our V-App platform where we see synergy and value add to our community. Having emerged stronger through the disruption a year ago, we are set up and ready to face any upcoming challenges whenever they arise. Also, as part of our ongoing efforts to enhance shareholder value and raise our profile, we are planning to undertake a secondary listing by the way of introduction on the main board of Singapore Exchange, with further details to be made available in the near future. Meanwhile, we will continue to sharpen our competitive edge on our investment intelligence as a service model, leveraging AI, big data analytics, and machine learning, sharing investment knowledge and empowering better investment decisions, and ultimately generating alpha for our investor. We intend to remain laser focused on building a smarter future with our growth initiative and are confident that the strong foundation that we have put in place enable us to strengthen our FinEdutech platform further for the next decade. I would like to take this opportunity to express our appreciation for the support of our shareholders and the hard work of our 8V teams who have made our journey meaningful and fulfilling so far, and we look forward on our onward path together. More information is also available on our new website www.8vholdings.com. Until we meet again, stay safe and well. Thank you.